Welcome to the VP750 and VP700 tutorial series. This video is about loading media. Open the media cover. Turn the tightening knob anti-clockwise and remove the roll cover. Load the label roll and push the roll against the inner guide. Place the flat side against the label/media roll. Tighten the knob by turning it clockwise. Feed the media under the arm and into the media feed slot. Wait for the printer to load the media. Then, slide the media guide to the edge of the media. Wait for the printer to load the media completely. Close the media cover. Check that the closed cover sensor is activated and the printer is online. For more information, visit www.vipcolor.com and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.